Bullying is a serious problem, but we can all do our part to raise awareness and promote prevention.
Give it up for him, clap for him. Talk about meditation, right, and how that can help you with fixing the bullying problem. Because if he can meditate and get inside his own head, it doesn't matter what anybody else says. What kind of people, I want you to answer this question. What kind of famous people do you think use meditation? Ray Shan, what kind of people do you think use meditation? Famous people.
Basketball players.
Why do you think basketball players use meditation?
They concentrate.
They can concentrate. Who else uses meditation, you think? Go ahead. Boxers. Why do you think boxers use it?
They get mad.
That's right. If they get mad, they have to get a control of their emotion, right? So they can concentrate on fighting. Who else? Who else do you think uses meditation? Anybody else? Soccer player? Batman, all right, Batman.
Tennis player.
Tennis player. Anything that you have to do, you have to concentrate on, right? Or a big thing you have to do, meditation helps with that. That's why a lot of these big time people use meditation. I'm going to teach you how to do that now. How can you get inside your own mind so no matter what the distraction is, it doesn't bother you? Why is it so important? And how can meditation help you with bullying? Somebody tell me. How can it help you? Good.
To keep your mind and keep you talking no matter what they say.
No matter what they say. Absolutely. Go ahead. From stress. Very good.
Remember when I said earlier that you could create your life. You could create the feelings that you want.
So I'm going to teach you guys the technique on how you can get inside your own mind and nobody, your parents, your siblings, anybody in the school, nobody will be able to distract you again.
Teach me, master.
I'm going to teach you. All right, I need you guys to all focus on what we're doing right here. All right, you with me? He's going to give us the first example. Now, when you see people meditate, what do they normally do? Get on the ground, right? Yeah. And they cross their legs, like cut like that. They go to the ground. You don't have to. And they float, right? They float. All that stuff. You know, you actually don't have to do that. I can meditate. I can meditate whenever I want to.
You know how to float.
I can. You'll float too. Right? I can meditate. I don't have to do all that. That's right. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna have my man get into a meditation stance, right? He's gonna get in a meditation stance. I'm gonna teach him the breathing part of it, and then I'm gonna have you guys do the same thing. Make sense?
Yeah.
Is everybody ready to watch him? You guys support him in what he's doing? Yeah. All right, let's support him. So the first thing, are you able to get in a stance like that? Okay, do that for me. All right, here we go. He's in the stance. Perfect. Everybody see what he's doing? If you want to do the same thing, you can. So if you want to get in the stance like he is, you want to follow along, you can. If you want to watch us do it first, you can. All right. If you want to follow along, feel free. All right. So we're gonna do it right now. Feel free. If you want to follow along what we're doing, feel free. All right. Here we go. So he's in his stance. The most important part. Listen to me closely. The most important part to what he's doing is to breathe. He's breathing. All right, it's breathing. You're gonna breathe in for 5 seconds. Check me out. Then you're gonna hold it for 5, and you're gonna breathe out for 5. You got it? In for 5. I need one more 5. So here's what we're gonna do. He's gonna count. He's my counter. He's the person doing the meditation, and he's going to actually be watching the room to make sure everybody's doing it.
Yeah.
That makes sense? Those are my 3 guys. All right. So, counter, the guy who's meditating, and my man right here. What's his name again? Xavier. Xavier's gonna make sure everybody's doing it. Don't distract the person next to you, right? You don't want to distract anybody. Let them really try to do this. Here we go. Counter, are you ready? Ready, counter? When we say start, in 5 seconds, right? Here we go. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hold it for 5. He's up for 5.
How many of you feel like if you did the little 2-minute exercise that we just did where you breathe in and you brought yourself to a happy place, that you can make yourself feel happy again? That's true.
So you know how we were talking bad about everybody before? You remember that? You guys remember that?
Yeah.
All right. Now here's what we're gonna do. So,
You are nice, you are happy, you're a good
You are
person.
talented.
You're so cool. You're like a Mexican Wolverine.
I am happy. The phrase, I am, anything that you write after I am, it defines who you are. And a part of you really creating who you want to be and really focusing on why you were uniquely created, you can just put that after I am.
You're good at soccer.
I am beautiful. I am gorgeous. You are funny.
I'm incredible.
Impossible. I wrote it up here because if you break it up, you get I am awesome.